Hi and welcome to another vlog. It's Thursday today and the parts arrived. A brand new arm to go on this car. Let's open the part up. Oops. There is it. We need a little knife. Let's see what we got in here. Let's hope it's the right one. Oh, it's very well packed. It's a brand new, genuine Kia part. Very well packed. It's a brand new one. Off eBay. My local part shop did I have one. Few knew they were saying, and here we are. Brand new, genuine Kia. Let's see if you can see. Brand new. Let's hope it's the correct one. Yeah, that's how it goes on. Right, let's match up with the old one. Let's see. Ooh, let's get some gloves on first. Right, we're ready to put the bottom wishbone on. Don't know if my camera's in a good position. Let's see how it goes. Let's get this on again now. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's put a bit WD-40 on here. A bit here at the nuts. So going in here. That should be alright. Ouch, hurt my head there. Right. Oops. Light's falling down. Need to mount this light somewhere. Okay, that's a lot better. Right, let's see. I am cheating again. I am cheating. I'm not really supposed to do it like this. Well, a lot of people are going to abuse me in the comments. Hope he's the bloody right one. If I can get that in. If I can get that in there. Okay. Nearly there. Not wearing the right shoes for the job. I can just get that in. Okay. It's a bit hard. Okay, that's it. Really nearly. Nearly right, that's in there. And I've got that in. Let's get that Okay. There we are. Okay, that's in, that's in. Okay, wasn't that hard? Let's just quickly turn that steering wheel. Okay, that's in. Need to line that bolt up properly. Right, I need to get a jack up there. Okay, that's there. Where's the bolt? That's the bolt. We'll get some WD-40 on there so it goes in better. Oops. I think that's in. Cross-threaded, that's why I was doing it by me hand. Right guys, it's in. I don't know if you can see it, one bolt there, that's on. Underneath there, let's take the camera down a little bit. It's in, if you can see. My camera, it's not that good. But yeah, it's all in. If you can see there. I'll bring the camera on. Let's see it properly there, it's in. Bit of a nightmare, but I got it in. Because I was cheating, I should have taken that off. Should have taken that off to make it easier, but yeah, I got it in finally. 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that, camera shut off. So yeah, that looks okay, doesn't look bent or anything. He drove off. The car drove off the recovery truck when he arrived. So that's okay. So that was definitely gone, that part. That's been replaced, genuine one. Genuine Kia off eBay, £100. Already off eBay for £100 anyway, next day delivery, can't complain. Faster service than Kia dealers. And that's it. Genuine arm for this car. Rubbers, everything came on. Right, I'll tighten all that up. Alright, let's get some tools out and let's start tightening things up. I don't know if I should be using a buzz gun just yet, but I think it was 19, 18, 17. I think this was, it's not that one, I think that was 18, I'm not too sure. It's not that one. See, the WD-40 does actually help. Let's see. Look straight. Not really meant to fully tighten these until, if I'm correct, once the wheel's on and it's flat on the floor, that's when you tighten it up properly and everything. So that's what I will do as well, I think, yeah. So I'll just do a bit of hand tie at the moment. Would I be able to access that bolt? Let's whack it on now. Let's see, where is it? Where is it? I think was it that one now? These are the two ball joint ones that came off here. Where's the bolt? Where's the bolt? Yeah, I just had them here somewhere. I hope I've not lost it. Right, that one goes here. I think. That one. Yeah, well, that one here. Bear with me, guys, and I'm only learning. What was that? Let's do a bit of high top. I think it's a 19. Yeah, I think that was a 19. Where's the other bolt? Let's put a bit of double. That one goes over here. But like this, I think it's recommended to actually tighten it while the car's on the floor. But right, the wheel's on. I know the wheel's punctured. I need to get a new tyre on. I'll do that tomorrow. And yeah, it's on. It was only wishbone that was damaged, nothing else. I drove it forward, backwards, it's okay. I can't really do much else to it until I get the wing. I'm probably going to have to change that front panel because it's got a little crack. I can't find the pieces. But yeah, that's done. I'll probably most likely change the front panel. I'll have to get the AC out. It's got AC gas in this. I'll have to call someone mobile air conditioning guy to take it out because it's not good for the environment. And that's it. Right, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.